So today I'm excited because I am participating in Rebecca Hoot's Candyland Camp, and a really fun part of that is the fact that we get to do swaps with other individuals who are also participating in this online activity. I've got 6 partners that I'm putting together some really fun Candyland themed items. Some are store-bought and some are going to be handmade. First off, I found these adorable gummy bears playing cards that can be used as journaling. Take a look at these awesome gummy bear pencils. I am in love. Next up, I found this really fun confetti that I'm gonna unpack and split apart. Found this really fun Lisa Frank coloring book because of all of the ice cream and the sweets and treats. First thing I've done with that is I have gone through and I've torn out pages that are candy, ice cream themed. Look at the packaging I found. I'm so excited. Even this will fit up the theme, and they can open it up and then cut it up. So also each partner was able to say what their favorite candy was, so I've made sure to cover all of those bases. These were really cute from the Dollar Tree. I think they're meant to be mushrooms, but I am going to use them as gumdrops. So these will be really fun. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and join me so you can get the notifications of when my next video drops. So I want to show you how I'm taking some of these resources and what I'm doing with them. First up, ribbon. I love this sprinkle ribbon, and what I'm doing is I'm making handmade ribbon paper clips, which are really fun to slide in at the top of a book, right? I'm sticking with a yellow and blue theme for this because it matches the ribbon for me best. You want the ribbon facing forward. Everything is in the direction that you want. Snip the ends, and these really cute bags that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So that's item number 1. The next thing up that I had a lot of fun doing is I was going through the coloring books and I found these frogs. I traced actually using my ribbon. Now I'm doing 2 different versions of these. I am going to make this into a tag. So I ink it. Then I grab a piece of green cardstock because, you know, he is a frog. But I am using my tabs today. And I'm just gonna freestyle this around the edge. Bring them up. Get this centered how you'd like it. So once you've cut out my frog, I'm going to punch it at the top and turn this into a tag. Then you'll just pop a green ribbon through it. We're still not done. While this is a cute tag, I want to take this one step further, and I found these really cute 8 pack of note cards, and I wanted to use the envelopes because when I'm doing junk journaling or scrapbooking, I love hidden pockets and I love to use many envelopes for that. So this was a perfect project. We're going to take these envelopes out, right? And I'm going to take this plain Jane and make it froggy fun. I inked the whole thing, and I used leftover green cardstock paper that I had, and you could do this with the pattern paper. But what I'm gonna do is I've inked the whole envelope. I turned the envelope over and the white flap on both sides because I want this to be decorative when you open it up. Froggy treat themed envelope. And he's gonna go along with this fun stash that I'm sending my partners. Thanks for joining me in the nest today. I'm going to continue to put these packages together, but I do hope you join me on my journey this summer as I create my own Candyland themed junk journal / scrapbook. And shout out to Rebecca Hoot and anyone else who's participating in Candyland Camp. Can't wait to see what your creations come out to be.